Hey everyone, this is Sabrina. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so when I started Monday, I just got my 6x8 prints from Persnickety, and I had no idea what I was doing. I jumped right into this, pretty much a hot mess, and I didn't know what I was going to do for anything for Monday. But I am starting with the transparency, and I don't have any large numbers. I didn't want to use the Cameo at first. So I decided to use 2 of the new stamp sets, the numbers, and then the days of the week. And I am just going to stamp those black ink, white paper, and put them on the transparency. And then I'll layer the cork word Monday below the stamped Monday. And so that was my initial plan. Later on, I'm going to go back and actually use my Cameo to cut out some large hearts. So the first part that I'm going to work on is this 6x8 photo of my husband and daughter, starting on our plant flower beds, putting in some soil, and I went with a pink chipboard heart and then a blue word sticker. Word stickers, you guys are going to see me use them so much, it's ridiculous. That's just my go-to. Allie Edwards says she has a formula. I'm not sure if they're a formula, but I absolutely love using them. So since I did blue on the 6x8, I thought I would do blue on the opening page for the morning. And I didn't have a 3x4 card that I wanted to use. I could have used the one I had just a minute ago that said forever, but I decided to just stamp Monday 3 times and then add a word sticker. Gonna flip it over and start on the afternoon. My daughter and I were working on her report, so I just put her photo on the working on, and then I just moved on to the afternoon. Love the photo of my kids in the car. I just turned around and I grabbed a snapshot of them. Also, you gotta love that snapshot of me working with my husband to saw a board. Pretty funny. This photo I am going to journal about. My husband went to the health food store to get some local honey because I needed some help with my allergies, and I was willing to try anything because I didn't want to keep taking like over-the-counter medication, and the local honey actually worked, so I was really surprised. I'm not going to add anything to the 2 cell phone pictures, and I'm going to move on to the late afternoon. My kids relaxing, and I'm doing laundry, and then on the back is some dinner dishes, and this is the point at which I had die cut a bunch of stuff with my Cameo, so I put in the kitchen again, but I think I'm going to add that later. For this photo, it's my husband and I working on dinner, so I add a cluster at the top right and then the bottom left. And eventually I'll go back and add some more hearts because, like I said, I could not resist using my Cameo. Here we go. So my thought is to use some hearts from my digital stash, and I will just staple them twice, and then that will be my new cover. Same thing here on the Monday card. I added 2 and stapled them. Also added a love this to that blue sticker with the die cuts. I located my pin. That was also missing. Like I said, I was a mess when I started this project. I don't know, I just couldn't find anything. So I added some notes on how I was getting out supplies for the day. For this photo, I moved the sticker of homework, and I'm just going to talk about how we are working on my daughter's alligator lizard report during the time before she went to school. So this is when she was a kindergartner, and she didn't go to school till the afternoon, and my husband got a photo of us at the table, added some more of the die-cut hearts, and then this photo of me with a saw, I just added a love this, and going to add another heart to that grocery shopping photo. And then I'm going to go ahead and journal all about my husband's fun trip to the health food store. Adding another die cut that says today was, I put busy but good. I mean, the life is so different now, so you kind of treasure the busy time. It's so busy back then, but it was good busy. This is where I added the in the kitchen again for the dinner dishes photo, and then for the photo of my husband and I'm just gonna add a heart and staple it. So now I'm going to put everything back in the album, but not in the page protectors because I'd like to take some photos. So I'm just putting them back in their places, and then I can take some photos. But I'm going to add the 6x8 photo, opening photo, and then I'm going to put it on a larger piece of paper, 6.75 by 8.25. And then on the back, I'm not sure what I'm going to add. But for right now, I have a week in the life chipboard, and that will be good enough. So there you go. That is Monday. I'm off to a great start. Well, a little bumpy, but it's going well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this process video. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you want to keep seeing my videos. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Bye.